So good examples in winter wheat include new varieties, LG Skyscraper and an LG Spotlight. These varieties promise an increase in grain yield, but also particularly for Spotlight, an improvement in grain quality. Likewise, in winter barley, there seems to be opportunity now to increase yield through growing a variety such as LG Mountain, and also improve quality significantly in a new variety called Valerie. In terms of the spring barley crop, then the main challenge is to find varieties that will complement the current market leader, which is Laureate. So it's what varieties will support and perhaps potentially compete with that variety over the next 2 to 3 years. Varieties that might complement and perhaps even compete with Laureates over the next 2 or 3 years could be LG Diablo, which could suit malt distilling and brewing, and another variety, RGT Asteroid, that could suit a range of distilling uses.